So, we bought a house.
So, yeah, we just bought a house. And we're heading to the house right now. We just signed all the paperwork. My hand's a little tired. What do you think, Mark?
Well, you didn't tell them where we bought our house.
Oh, bought our house in Georgia.
What?
I know, it's Georgia, but we're excited.
So yeah, we're moving to Georgia, and we've got a brand new house which we fell in love with, and we are heading there now for the first time as owners of this house. So we've been to the house a couple times to look at it when our real estate agent took us there, but now it is time for us to walk in as the owners of our new house. So you guys get to come along with us and check out our new place.
We're excited to bring you along. We've been trying to keep this as a secret for a very long time for you guys. There's only very, very few people that know, but we're excited to share this with you guys. So, hope you like our new home.
Yep, and big things are coming for the traveling duo. With us being located in Georgia now, a lot of cool stuff. So can't wait to share those things with you guys as well. But we're gonna be at our house here in just a few minutes, and get to walk around in it.
Woo-hoo! Excited?
I'm very excited.
I'm excited. You guys excited? We're excited.
Hey Kelly.
Hey Mark.
You ready to go in and check out our new house? All right, let's go. So this is our new residence in Georgia. Welcome home. I'm gonna turn some lights on in here.
Right.
So we love this place. Got lots of furniture to buy.
Yes, we do.
And then we have a nice sunroom, which I have to find the key so we can get out there.
Where's your keys at?
In my pocket. There's where we spending lots of time.
Maybe.
You just pull it? I tried turning it. Shh.
Nice. Looks like we're going to be doing some sweeping.
Yep. Oh my. Oh yeah, just in time for fall where we get to rake leaves. Hooray, leaves. All right, so one of my favorite parts of the house is down in the basement. Let's walk down. And we have a nice big bar. Put all my nice bottles of liquor in there. Nice little seating, which is kind of cool, little wood seating. And then got a room, entertaining room here, home theater room on this side. Got some bracketing here. I'm gonna put a train back up here. That's pretty cool. And then you can actually back out into the backyard from there, which is pretty sweet. So great home for entertaining. That's what we plan to do. Do a little bit of entertaining with our new house here. So we're gonna head back upstairs and see what Kelly's doing. Uh-oh, I think I hear her. I hear her upstairs. Oh where has Kelly gone? That's a quick tour of our home. Kelly's having technology issues.
Of course.
So that's a quick tour of our home. We're really excited that we're moving, and we're excited about our house. So hope you guys are excited too. Can't wait to bring you some great content, great videos, great vlogs of how we're decorating, how we're going about putting together in-home studio, so on and so forth for all of our vlogging.
Yes.
So yeah.
Experience the change of our home. We're excited.
So lots of unique stuff that we don't normally vlog on, we'll be vlogging about. So right in with our live, love, travel. So this is how we love this home. This is how our family is going to live, and we want to share some of our upgrades and updates and decorating and things like that in the house too. So stay tuned for that. Oh, one more thing. We wanted to cut back in here and give a shout out to the most amazing real estate agent ever, Marta Rodriguez and Alejandro Rodriguez. Thank you guys so much for all you did to help us find the perfect home in Atlanta. We're gonna just really enjoy it, and we can't wait to have you guys over once we get all of our stuff moved up there. So
yeah, we're excited. So is our dog.
yeah, she's going a little crazy.
Yeah.
So thanks again, and until next time, we'll see you around the world.